Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I am going to show you how to set up Thunderbird email and message. So first of all, we have to download the Thunderbird software. Open your browser and type here Thunderbird. Then this type of page will appear. Here you have this Thunderbird option. At the first, open it. Then this type of page will appear. Here you have the option of download. You simply need to click on it. Then here this software is start extracting. Just wait for it. Once it's extracted, then this page will pop up. Here click on next. Here again click on next option. Then again this page will pop up. Click on next. Then wait for 1 to 2 minutes for installing process. Once this process is done, then here you have this option finish. You simply need to click on it. Once it installed, launch the Thunderbird and you will jump into this page. Here you have the section of your full name. Here you need to enter your full name. Then you have the section for email address. Here you have to enter your email address correctly. And if you haven't any email address, then create and here enter your email address. And also enter password of your email address. Then you have the option of continue. You simply need to click on it and then just sign in with your Gmail account. And then enter your Gmail account password and other details. Then here your Gmail account will be added. You will be able to compose a mail from here. You will be able to read your mails from here. So that's how we can set up Thunderbird email and messages.